Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the tailgate here on the Jeep Scrambler build, so you guys sit back and enjoy. Alrighty guys, on mounting these hinges here, we kind of ran into a little bit of a hiccup. If you notice, this part is just a little bit shorter than what is stock. I actually had to cut this off right here to be able to fit it onto our particular body. Another problem that we were having, I was seeing, even if my bumper mounts here wasn't in the way, this would have been so far down low here. There's actually a metal plate back here on the back side of this fiberglass body, and we wanted our bolts to go through that metal plate instead of just on thin fiberglass down here at the bottom. So this was kind of a issue we ran into. Some of you hardcore Jeep guys are going to see this and be like, why did he shorten this bracket and what's going on here? That's why this bumper mount here was my fault. I didn't realize the hinges were in this location, so that was on me. But then at the same time, this bracket right here was really going to mess us up, so it needed to be shortened anyway. So it worked out to our advantage. It was made to fit. Okay guys, on these top two bolt holes on both sides, they're already threaded in the tailgate, so there's nothing we had to do on the tailgate side. But down here on this side, you will have to drill these out right here. Okay, so you can just use your hand drill and drill them out on the fiberglass bodies only. Remember, this is a fiberglass body. On steel bodies, you've already got holes down here. You're in good shape if your Scrambler already had a tailgate on it. Alrighty guys, right here you can kind of see we've got a piece of angle iron jigged up and clamped to the tailgate and to the side of the body. And what I'm doing is I'm trying to make sure my tailgate is straight, and when I start making some marks on it, I want to get it back in the same spot each time, every time I am removing material to get this tailgate fitted. So I'm going to show you guys how I made some marks on this thing and how I got this thing lined up so we can remove some material and get this thing fitted in nice and tight. One of the other things is that I've seen you need to make sure you clean out all of the threads on this one for the actual ropes, or I guess you could call it the tailgate chains. The threads need to be cleaned out before we can bolt everything up. So let's keep on rocking, guys. Alrighty guys, so after doing a little bit of sanding here on this black line, I was able to get these brackets to fit right on, and now we're in good shape. Alrighty guys, we got to fit this tailgate to this body. Alright, so you get these tailgates, fiberglass tailgate that is, they normally don't fit too hot. Alright, so what I mean by that is they got a lot of extra material on the sides of them. Alright, so on this one, when I got to looking at it, we had about an 1/8 inch gap in certain areas, and in other areas down here at the bottom, it was actually hanging over, okay? So it wouldn't even let the tailgate close all the way. So what you can do is, you can take your ruler, alright, and find the widest gap you got, alright, and look at what that measurement is, and then take that same measurement down on the bottom side, make that mark, alright, and then now you can take your straight edge, alright, widest gap down here on my mark it with a pin, and we're ready to start sanding and start cutting, get this thing all nice and straight. Do that on all the corners and you'll be in good shape. Remember, take a little bit off. You don't want to take off too much because it's really hard to add it back, all right? So, but that worked out good for us, and we're going to keep on rocking. Alrighty guys, now we need to install our cables here. I'll drop the link down below where the cables come from, or the, I guess you can call these tailgate chains. But everything fit up good here on the tailgate, but I didn't have a location to mount these on this fiberglass body, okay? On these steel bodies, guys, you'll be able to mount them up no problem. But on the fiberglass ones, I noticed it doesn't have a place for this, okay? So just keep that in mind. So what I ended up doing, on part of the roll cage here, I just welded me some tabs on there, bolted it to it, and we are in good shape. Check this out. Just like that. Alrighty guys, here on the latch mechanism for actually latching a tailgate, had to actually kind of make some bracketry to actually make this work. The stainless piece actually came with the kit that I showed you guys earlier, but it really didn't fit our body, so I kind of need to come up with some plates here for it to actually latch to. So hard up the old dad there, and he helped us out. Cut us out some plates here, and we just modified those stainless pieces, cut them down a little bit, grounded the edges over, and we made these things work. But here you can kind of see what those plates look like. Dad cut them out for us. Very, very simple, basic design, but it worked out really, really well for us. Just bent them over in the vise, and once we got them bent over, bolted them onto the Jeep, we were in good shape there. Alrighty guys, we knocked another one out here, 4-inch. Check this out. Boom. There we are. I like it. We've got one tailgate down. We got it mounted up, and we're in good shape there. It's on to the next thing. Be sure, guys, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Don't forget to comment down below. And as always, you guys have a good one. We see y'all next time. Happy New Year, y'all. See you. Hey guys, be sure to check out some of our other videos. We got some older stuff, some newer stuff. Don't forget to check out our website, KilbyMotorsports.com, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Till next time, you guys have a good one. See ya.